So I have been getting so many arguments with my friends in the United States that there are more Airbnbs, with good interior in the United States than in Nigeria, and I told them that no, that's not true. The reason why they think so is because they don't see, we don't publicize our Airbnbs enough. Guys, Adedayo is here. I want you guys to see this beautiful two-bedroom apartment in Lekki Phase 1. This is a very nice, nice two-bedroom apartment with top-notch finishing. So this sofa here alone is, I think, about five people can, if not six people self can contain it, with nice throw pillows, very nice throw pillows, quality stuff here, man. And this apartment is not only located in Lagos, it is located in Lekki, central part of Lagos. So if you are like one of the one in Lagos, you know that this is a place to be, right? So the TV in this apartment is an 85 inches television, and you see there's this place has a very nice concept that I like. And of course, the what's it called, the TV console is a very very unique TV console. And are we going to talk about this beautiful moonlight? Super unique. I'm sure you guys cannot see this one in your United States Airbnbs. I'm sure. So if you think you can see it, if you think you have something, you can tag me to it. I don't mind. So I also love the choices of artifacts in this apartment. Another part of this place that I like is this place. This is a unique, guys. Are you not getting what I'm saying? There are unique designs there, like unique stuffs. I don't know whatever the person was thinking. Bam, you have your glass cups here, right? You've got your wine cup, you have your beer cup or whatever, water cup, and you can also put in your wine here. And in fact, come closer. I want you to show them this stuff here. I think I like this. I think it's unique. I've not like seen this before, but this is very nice. So this is an argument. This is like I'm doing this video to like win an argument. So Nigerian Airbnbs, don't worry, we are top notch here. Come, let's show them the family dining. There is a proper, convenient 6 chairs here for family of nice family. If you are coming with your friends, you have your dinner here. This one is not so you don't have enough space for yourself. There's enough space for you. There's enough space for your family. So are we going to talk about this nice console here? If you are a picture lover, you can always take your pictures here. Like, nice pictures. You stand here, your photographer, your lighting, everything. Nice pictures. Nice mirror here for your selfie. For your selfie, what's it called? Or if you are dressing, or you just finished dressing, you just want to, restyle yourself and not like that. Very nice place. Also, there's one unique thing about this place. These curtains, I need to get the remote. This curtain is a smart curtain. Hey, this is not your Airbnbs in America. This one is not listening. It is not there. This is a very, very nice concept here. You guys don't spend, can you see? You can see, right? And there's a sit out, right? You can see the city from there. You can see everything here. So let me lock it back. So you understand that we are not playing here. Let me show you another thing. This house has Alexa. Alexa, turn off the lights.
Okay.
Can you see? Alexa, turn on the lights.
Okay.
Come, let's go to the kitchen. No, before we go to the kitchen, let me show you something. This place comes with an inbuilt speaker, and the fact that it has an inbuilt speaker, there is like a machine that controls it. The machine is like a proper device, a nice device that just controls the mood of the house or whatever it is. I can just play my song from here. Please zoom in. I want you to zoom in well. You can control the music and all like that. You can connect your Bluetooth and all like that. So come, let's go to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. Now, you need to understand something, that from the dining, you can always see the kitchen. So no, just go there so they can see it from there, right? The kitchen the dining. So if I'm bringing my food, I'm coming straight to the dining. No stress. And there's a door here. Don't forget, right? There's a door, right? So it's not like it's just open. There is a door that actually separates the dining from the kitchen. So come inside, please. Let's show them what we have in the kitchen. Number one, I forgot to mention one detail in this apartment. Every switch here is a smart switch. Every switch here is a what? A smart switch, right? A smart switch. So we are not playing here. We are not playing at all. Now, have you seen the finishing, the cabinets? Like, can you see marble? This is like marble tops. Like nice finishing. You take the extractor as usual. Your gas, you have your kettle, your blender, everything. Right? Your microwave, your oven, every single thing is here. You can go back, let them see it, and let them see it. See, nice fridge, nice fridge. You have your fridge here. You have your freezer down. And like I always say, if you know you are a long stay client, long staying person, and you come to Lagos, this is a nice place for you to be because this place has a washing machine. You can see we are using it, we are washing. And also the water here is clean. See, clean water, like clean water. So guys, this is an Airbnb for you to be. You have your kitchen where you have everything here. Nice, nice stuffs here. Nice stuffs. So I want to take us to the room. Let's see what's in the room. Let's go. So this is the room, right? Remember, first thing I want to show you in this place is the device I told you earlier about. Please come inside so they can see it from this angle. I will take this video like step by step so you understand that the arguments that we in Nigeria we do a lot for our Airbnbs than America is not just an argument, it is fact. This device controls the inbuilt speaker of this room, right? The inbuilt speaker of this room. We also have our smart switch here, our AC switch here. Now guys, this is a very unique stuff here. A very unique stuff, like the lights, the bedside lamp. It's a very unique one. You barely see it on. I mean, I saw Airbnbs, and I mean, I do now. This is. I mean, you guys should put some respect in our name, man. So, guys, this bed is a 6x6 bed, right? A 6x6 bed. Nice pillows, nice duvet, nice accent pillows. The finishing is top notch. Also, the TV that comes with this place is a 65 inches TV, right? A 65 inches TV. You cannot see that in anywhere. Quote me wrong, anywhere. Of course, we have your curtain here. Of course, quality curtains, guys. Please zoom in this video. Let them see quality stuffs, guys. Quality, and there's something unique about this console. It is no come. You can even show them there. You can show them that one closer to you. This is a unique. Oh my god! How come I didn't see this earlier? This is unique, guys. Wow. I think I like the design. So, guys, come. I want to show you another thing. Come here. We are showing them this place. This place comes with a nice walk-in closet. So, aside you having your stuff here, your wardrobe here, come and see. This is amazing. Oh my god. This is nice. I mean, this is the first time I'm seeing this, right? And it's solid stuff. So yeah, guys, I mean, if you are looking for a reason to visit Nigeria and you want to visit any Airbnb, just give me a call. Like, check my profile, you'll see my link there. You can reach me at any time, any day. This is a nice place. I spoke about the kitchen already. The cabinets, I don't know. There's something about this place. The finishing, like, this is not just an ordinary wood. There's like a texture on it, and it's so nice. So let's see. Let's go to the toilets as well. Come in. So there's a nice, like, an standard. Nice. Can you see the fresh water? Right? Come. Let them see this thing. I know you guys don't have this, in America like that. Nice stuff here. See, stuff. And I think I like that black themed. Come inside, so they can see. See, black themed, the suspended toilets here. You know, the designer is, the building, the developer, everybody, their intention of what they did here. Black stuff. So come, let's go on to the next place. That's the next room. Let's see it. But before we see the next room, please, I forgot to mention. We how did I manage to escape this beautiful, amazing place? Like your dresser, you can have your perfume, your makeup stuff, and every other thing, and you also have your kitchen, your cabinets there. I mean, your drawers. You can keep your stuff here. You have a sitting area here where you can just sit down. If you want to work, you want to do your makeup and every other thing. So this here is one of one in Lagos, right? One of one in Lagos. So come, let's go to the next room. Now, this is the next room. One thing that stood out in this room, let me tell you, it is the artwork. I will not lie. This is a very beautiful artwork, and this is not a printed artwork. This is an original artwork. Like, I think I like this. Another thing I don't know what the interior person was thinking is this lights. This is nice. Like, it's something you can move, right? I can just move it to, Also, remember, big TVs here. So the thing about us in Nigeria is that we put in a lot to whatever we do, right? And maybe that's why we stand out globally. We put in like a lot of effort. If we want to do something, we do it to the best. Because tell me, every Airbnbs in Lagos, we have standard TVs, standard proper smart TVs. Now, guys, let me show you this thing. See, this is a nice. I think I like this. I think I like it. If you like it, you can put it in the comments. So let's see. So yeah, see, this is a proper 6x6. Go back, let them see it. A proper 6x6, bed frame, nice bed frame, nice texture. Guys, everything is quality here. To be fair, everything is quality here. And of course, now you have you can go there, let them see the angle of this place. Nice stuff here. Nice stuff. Nice stuff here. Let's see the bedroom. Oh, where's the switch? Sorry. Yeah, coming. Okay, so the bedroom is like almost like the same thing with the other one. Of course, the water pressure, nice. You can see the hand dryer. Like, everything here is standard. Like, guys, standard. This place comes with a pool and I think a gym. I'm not too sure, but I'll check. When we get down, we'll see if there's a gym and a pool, but I know there's a pool. So come, let's go downstairs. Yeah, so as said, this place comes with a swimming pool, like a standard swimming pool. Like, guys, I'm sure you can see how how big this swimming pool is. This is an Airbnb, so you can book it with your friends, you can book it with your family. A lot of people. You don't have to stress yourself. You just come here, you relax for days. You come to the swimming pool, you sit down here. There's a sitting area, and you sit down. Once you sit down, you relax, you swim, you go back to your room, and you are good. Also, there's a gym. Very important, there's a gym. So let me show you the gym. Come, let's go to the gym. All right, yeah. So this is the gym house, right? There's a treadmill. You have your cycling stuff here. Here you can always lift your 20 kg, 50 kgs, 100 kgs. It doesn't matter anything. It doesn't matter if I can carry it or not, but I mean, I can carry my 5 kg. So yeah. So if you need to book this place, the first thing you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us, and ensure that you drop a comment From our YouTube channel, you can easily see our page. You can easily follow us. You can easily do it. You can share it to your friends, share it to your family. Let them see what is in Nigeria. Let them see what is in Lagos. Like, don't you want your friends to see this beautiful video? So support us, guys. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.